face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nanaya and I do videos about how to make money online and text. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please, this channel is for you. Hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. So in this video I just want to show you how you can make money on Fiverr without doing enough work. How to make money on Fiverr without doing enough work. So if you are new to Fiverr, Fiverr is a place where people showcase their talent. I mean, what they can do, they do it for clients and get money back. If you are able to create a logo, if you know how to do animation video, if you know how to write, then Fiverr is for you and you can make money out of there. So if you don't know, or you don't have anything doing, or you're not talented, you don't know how to do anything, you can still use Fiverr and make money, as I teach you what you do on this video. So without wasting much time, let's proceed. The first thing is you have to come to fiverr.com. If you are new, then you click on join on the top right corner of the site. As you can see, join. But if you already have an account with Fiverr, then you have no problem. You click on join. You can even log in or continue with Facebook or your Gmail account, depends, or you can use email to join. So I'll not sign in or sign up. So after you've signed up, or you already have an account, this is what we want to do. Let's search for proofreading. You search for proofreading. Okay, so check out this guy. I will proofread and edit your medical school. I will proofread and correct any text. You see this school, and this one says I will proofread your document and projects. That's good. I will do book editing, unlimited words. Okay, we're not looking for this. I will be your book editor and proofreader. So you can check this girl out. She is starting at $100 and she has gotten 971 reviews. I mean, these people who reviewed have purchased one of her gigs. So you can multiply $100 by 971 and you can see how this girl is making it out here. She is really making it out here, and this guy is also selling it at only $5, and 428 people have purchased this, and you can multiply that one too as well to see how people are making it. And this one has 15 reviews, and you can multiply that by 10. You can see this guy also has 103 reviews. You can multiply it by 20 to see how people are making money on Fiverr here. So what are you doing? What are you doing? I want to show you how you can do this easily and make money out of here. So this one works like in case let's say I am a buyer or a client and I'm looking for someone to proofread my text or my document for me, and in case I'm interested in this one, I'll just click on it and I will order it. Once I order it, I have to chat with that person and I will send him or her the text or the document that I want him to proofread and edit it for me. Like in case there is a mistake in the text, that he will correct it for me and proofread if everything is good and correct. So I will click on his gig and I will order it and send him or her the text or the document that I want him to proofread. So in case you are this person, so I've clicked on your gig and I've sent you the test or the document to proofread it for me. There is nothing you have to worry about. Or I will show you a software. So let's go back. The name of the software is called Grammarly. You can search Google for Grammarly or Grammarly.com. It's a nice software that helps you to do proofreading, edit tests, and everything for free. You don't have to buy anything, or you don't have to buy the software. Grammarly. You see, twice as many corrections, get better results, write with confidence, improve your skills. So Grammarly, it's an online service that quickly and easily makes your writing better and makes you sound like a pro, or at least help you avoid looking like a like a fool. So Grammarly is a nice tool, or it's a nice software that will help you make money on Fiverr. Since my network is really bad, let's wait. Oh, the network is bad. Let me try refreshing it. Okay. So once you come on Grammarly, it will ask you to sign up or to register. So if you register, I'll take you here. So all you have to do is you click on the plus button when you are here. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click on new document. So new document. Okay. I'm using a mobile phone, but you have to make sure you open Grammarly on your desktop or your laptop. Okay, so it will take you here. So once the client or your buyer send you the test or the document, you copy it. Then you come to Grammarly, you click on the plus icon, then you click on new document. It will take you here. So you paste it. I'll paste this test. Okay, as you can see, I've pasted the test. Okay, so this is how Grammarly looks like. So as you can see, imagine this test was what the buyer or the client sent to you. So after you've pasted, you see all these are correct. All these are correct or constructed correctly. But you see this end, it has been underlined with a red line, which means it's wrong. So you click on it. You click on it, and you can see there should be a comma before the end. And Grammarly has given you the correct one here, so you click on it. As you can see, this is the correct one. So if there is a mistake, this is how it's gonna look like. And you see this end, you click on it, then we go here. This one too, there should be a comma. As you can see, it has been corrected. So everything, once you paste the text or the document on Grammarly, it's going to bring out all the mistakes. It's going to bring out all the mistakes. So if you click on a word that has been underlined by Grammarly, they will give you a good correction here. So once you click on it, then you go and click on the correction, and it will be the good one will be replaced by the wrong one. So after you are done, or you've corrected them, or you have to touch on it, touch and hold, then you select them all. I mean, these ones are corrected and it's a good one. So you copy this, then you go to your Fiverr.com, then you paste it for the buyer or the client, and you are done with it. You are done. You correct your money, then you are good to go. So this is the software that I want to show you. A lot of people doesn't know this software. So if you are new, or if you are my subscriber, then you are lucky, because a lot of people doesn't know this software, and people are really struggling making money on Fiverr. Whilst I show you this software you can use to make a lot of money on Fiverr. And after you've created your Fiverr gig, they will give you a promotional code. This is a second method that I want to show you. They will give you a promotional code. So once you've copied your promotional code, you need to promote your gig to find buyers so that you can sell faster. So what you have to do is you go to Facebook. You go to facebook.com, then you log in, then you search for Fiverr, or let's use Fiverr gig promotion. Fiverr gig promotion. Then you hit on groups. You can see you can join all these groups. You can join all these groups and paste in your Fiverr gig, and you are going to get your gigs is going to sell better and faster for you. You can join all this group: Fiverr gig promotion, Fiverr gig promotion, Fiverr gig promotion and help. You can join all these groups and paste in your Fiverr gig link, and you're going to get more buyers to purchase your gig. And once they come in to purchase your gig, they will send you text or document. Then you copy them, you go to Grammarly, you paste it there, then you correct all the mistakes, you recopy it, and you paste it for the buyer again, and that's all. You get your payment, then you are good to go. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you loved this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button. And again, if you are new to this channel, you love this, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. So guys, thank you once again for coming back to my channel, and hope to see you again.
MDK,
Bye.
MDK, Awada.
Face, tell me that you love me.